she calls to my father and calls with him I think 1 hour or 1.5 hour. After that, she uses her mobile like social media platforms. After
She
that,
brushes the teeth. Then after she take bath. Then after she prays to God. हजारों गम मेरी फितरत नहीं बदल सकती, हजारों गम मेरी फितरत नहीं बदल सकती। क्या करूं दोस्तों, मेरी आदत ही मुस्कुराने की है।
good morning friends and good morning sir. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to my respected sir who has given me this golden chance to be say something here. I am going to tell about my mother's routine. My mother's, she gets up early in the morning around 4 o'clock. Then after, she gets dressed. After that, she brushes her teeth. Then after, she sweeps the whole house and mops the floor. After that, she takes bath. Then after, she prays to God. After that, she makes our breakfast. Then after, she serves breakfast to my family and also she takes her breakfast. After that, she washes the dishes and goes to prepare our lunch. Later on, she prepares our lunch and serves lunch to my family and she also takes her lunch. Then after, she washes the dishes. After that, she takes rest. After that, she washes our clothes like me, my sister, and my grandma. After that, she uses her mobile. She uses her mobile. Then after, she takes a nap. After that, in the evening, she makes some snacks for me, individual for me. Then after, she serves snacks to me. After that, um, she goes to market and buy vegetable and come to home and again sweeps the house. Then after, she prepares our dinner and serves dinner to us. Then after, she takes her dinner and washes the dishes and cleans the kitchen. Then after, she do massage of my grandma. After that, she walks 15 minutes on the roof. Then after, she calls to my father and calls with him I think 1 hour or 1.5 hour. After that, she uses her mobile like social media platforms. After that, she some days in a 2 or 3 days in a week, she plays Ludo with me. Then after, she goes to bed and she sleeps. Thank you. That's all about my mother's routine.
First of all, she gets up early in the morning around 5 o'clock. Then after, she gets fresh. Then after, she sweeps to whole house. Then after, she brushes the teeth. Then after, she take bath. Then after, she prays to God. Later on, she makes a tea and he takes a tea and give to my father. Then after, she prepare breakfast. Then after, she takes breakfast and serve to whole family. Then after, she prepare for lunch. Then after, she do domestic work. She prepare lunch and serve to whole family, and she also take lunch. Then after, she takes a nap. Then after, she uses mobile. In evening time, she watches serials. Then after, she prepare dinner. She prepares dinners and to serve my whole family. Then after, she takes dinner and clean beds. Then after, she go to bed and sleep. That's all. Thanks for listening carefully.